Every evening when Riya walks home, she notices something strange. Some street lights don't turn on even when it's dark, and some stay on during the day, wasting electricity. She thinks, what if the lights could turn on and off automatically? That's when she decides to make her own automatic street lamp using the basics of electronics kit. Riya gathers all the parts she needs. Battery block to give power. Photoresistor LDR to sense light and darkness. Resistor block to control current. On-off switch for manual control. LED block to show the light. Connecting wires to join everything together. PNP transistor acts like an automatic switch. Now let's start making the circuit. First, Riya places the battery block to supply power. Then she connects wires from the battery to the PNP transistor block, which controls the current flow. Next, she attaches the resistor block to protect the circuit from too much current. After that, she connects wires to the photoresistor LDR. This will detect light and darkness. Then she connects the LED block, which will act as our lamp. Finally, she adds the on-off switch to control the power. Now, the circuit is ready. Let's see how it works. Now we will switch off the light to make it dark. When it's dark, the LED glows automatically. When it's light, the LED turns off. That means our automatic street lamp is working perfectly, just like real street lights. This project helps to save electricity and keep streets bright and safe at night. Riya learned how photoresistors, resistors, and transistors work together to make smart systems. Excited to explore more? Register your child for our Basics of Electronics course at Maker's Place. To purchase your own electronics kit, visit us at the Edu Marketplace. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos